If you run a small business and struggle with cash flow because of unpaid invoices, invoice factoring might be just what you need. Here's how it works. Instead of waiting 30, 60, or even 90 days to get paid, you sell those unpaid invoices to a factoring company. They give you an upfront payment, usually between 60 to 95% of the invoice's value, so you can cover payroll, buy inventory, or simply reduce financial stress. Unlike a loan, there's no debt involved. You're using the value of what you're already owed. That's a huge win for businesses with slow-paying customers. There are a few types of factoring. Recourse factoring is the most common and has lower fees, but you're still on the hook if the customer doesn't pay. Non-recourse factoring transfers that risk to the factoring company, though it costs more. Spot factoring lets you sell just one invoice at a time. It's flexible but often more expensive. The process is fast. Some companies fund within 24 hours, and the factoring company handles collections, saving you time. But keep in mind, handing over customer communications could impact relationships. And yes, fees can add up, especially if there are delays. To qualify, your invoices need to be free of liens, and your customers should have a good payment history. Even if your business credit isn't great, factoring companies focus more on your customers' creditworthiness. Industries like trucking, healthcare, oil and gas, staffing, and manufacturing often benefit most, especially if they deal with long payment cycles. It's also important to know the difference between factoring and financing. With factoring, you sell the invoice and the company collects. With financing, you keep control of collections and just use the invoice as collateral. Now, before choosing a factoring company, think about your needs, check reviews, understand the fee structure, and don't hesitate to get legal or accounting advice. Invoice factoring isn't for everyone, but if cash flow is a challenge and waiting on payments is holding you back, it could be the cash infusion your business needs.